Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about whether or not Setmore sends text messages. I've been using Setmore for a while now, and I've been really impressed with it. It's a great scheduling and booking platform that's perfect for small businesses and entrepreneurs. But one thing I've always wondered is whether or not Setmore can send text messages to clients. So I decided to do some research and find out the answer. The answer is yes. Setmore can send text messages to clients. There are two ways to do this. Use the Setmore app. The Setmore app allows you to send and receive text messages from your clients. You can also use the app to create and manage your appointments. Use the Setmore API. The Setmore API allows you to integrate text messaging into your own website or app. Benefits of using Setmore for text messaging. There are a number of benefits to using Setmore for text messaging. It's easy to use. The Setmore app is very user-friendly, and it's easy to get started with text messaging. It's affordable. Setmore offers a variety of text messaging plans to fit your budget. It's reliable. Setmore has a 99.9% uptime guarantee, so you can be sure that your text messages will be delivered. It's secure. Setmore uses SSL encryption to protect your client's data. How to set up text messaging in Setmore. If you want to use Setmore for text messaging, there are a few things you need to do. Create a Setmore account. If you don't already have a Setmore account, you can create one for free. Verify your phone number. Once you've created a Setmore account, you'll need to verify your phone number. This will allow you to receive and send text messages from Setmore. Purchase a text messaging plan. Setmore offers a variety of text messaging plans to fit your budget. Set up your text messaging preferences. Once you've purchased a text messaging plan, you'll need to set up your text messaging preferences. This includes things like your message signature and your preferred delivery time. Start sending text messages to your clients. Once you've set up your text messaging preferences, you're ready to start sending text messages to your clients. Tips for using Setmore for text messaging. Here are a few tips for using Setmore for text messaging. Use text messaging to confirm appointments. When a client books an appointment, be sure to send them a text message to confirm. This will help to reduce the number of no-shows. Use text messaging to send reminders. If you have a client who is about to miss an appointment, send them a text message reminder. This will help to ensure that they show up for their appointment. Use text messaging to communicate with clients about important updates. If you have any important updates about your business, such as a new product or service, be sure to send a text message to your clients. Use text messaging to provide customer support. If a client has a question or concern, you can use text messaging to provide them with support. Use text messaging to build relationships with your clients. Text messaging is a great way to build relationships with your clients. By sending them personal messages, you can show them that you care about their business. Setmore is a great tool for small businesses and entrepreneurs who want to send and receive text messages from their clients. It's easy to use, affordable, and reliable. If you're looking for a way to improve your communication with your clients, I highly recommend using Setmore. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on small business and entrepreneurship. I hope this video has been helpful. See you next time.